welcome back to my channel, Southernyankee Beauty. Guys, I have a Trendmood box. So I don't know if you guys are familiar, but Trendmood is she's on Instagram, and basically anytime there's new product launches, makeup, skincare, beauty, anything like that, she is the first to have photos, information on when it launches, discount codes, that sort of thing. So she's been doing that, for a while. And she got contacted by some brands that said, hey, you know, let's put a box together. And so they come out, it's not like a monthly subscription, and it's a first come, first serve. But when you purchase it, you do get an early access code. And so next time you can get in like an hour early when it launches. Sometimes they sell out, sometimes they don't. I think the reason I got this box was there's something in it by M Cosmetics, which is a brand I have never tried, and I was very interested, and I added up like 2 of the items in here, and it was more than the price of the box. The box prices fluctuate, so like they can be different prices. I can't remember. This one was probably $42, I think, for everything in here. So we're gonna open this box together, check it out, see what's inside. And if you want to get on the list, there is like an email list. First of all, go to Trendmood on Instagram and then follow her, and then you can go to her website from there and then sign up so you're getting alerts when there's openings. So okay, so there is a QR code that you can scan. I assume that's going to give you pricing and all the information on everything that is in your box. I don't know that this box is still available, guys, because they're working on another one now. So you open it up. Oh, everything's in here. Okay, hold on. All right, everything's sort of gotten banged around a little bit, but here we go. All right, so first of all, I saw these are the Clean Swipe Spot Purifying Wands, pre-filled single-use cleaning swabs. So are these for like purifying swabs that gently help lift any impurities and buildup with a cleansing solution? Think of it as an essential step before applying Hydro Stars. Okay. So I'm wondering though, it's a cleaner to like if you have a spot on your face, like you're getting a breakout, you use this cleaner with a little swab, clean it up, and then you're going to come over here and you're going to put one of these guys on. These are the stars, little star faces, and they help with pimples. So you just stick it on your chin or wherever you got to zit, and that's a little duo to take care of any kind of acne. And then there's also Moisture on Mars Hydrating Face Cream as well. I guess to use to moisturize after it dries it out, so your skin doesn't have crusties. So, and it came with a little card, so you get the whole little kit here. So that's fun because I do get breakouts now again every month, I tell you. Oh, all right. So then what do we got? We have something by Caluray. I think I just ordered this. I'm almost positive. What a dork, Terry. I'm probably gonna have an extra one of these. I did a Sephora order for the sale, and I'm pretty sure I put this in my cart, and it's on the way. This is a clean mascara. It says come hell or high water. I think it's bye to ugly cries and grungy under eyes. It's cute. So this gives you lift, volume, all of that length, and then it's smudge proof, curling, volumizing, all of that. I'm gonna have 2 of these, so I'll probably give that away. I still have that other lipstick that I'm giving away right here from Milani. If you did not watch the Milani video, go back and watch it so you can enter to win the lipstick. I'll show you. I have not swatched it, but it is so beautiful, and that's just because I ordered an extra. So it's a dark kind of berry nude, really, really pretty. So what I'll do is I'll put both of these in a little gift set, and I'll pick a winner. But go to the Milani video, watch that video, and enter to win the lipstick and this, okay? So we're just going to add on. I might even include a couple extra things. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. All right. Then we have this, I think this is from M Cosmetics. This is a volumizing lip gloss from M Cosmetics. So I'm not going to put this on because I have other stuff on right now, but this is called Faded Clementine. So this looks like a terracotta color. Obviously, this is not going to match what I'm wearing anyway. So we'll just hold on to this and try this in another video. I have so much stuff to try. Yeah, this is a beautiful terracotta. Let's swatch it though. It's really pretty. And it says it's a gloss, but it's a very pigmented gloss. That is going to be a very pigmented gloss. This is not going to be a see-through gloss. It's going to be it's going to give you your lips an orange terracotta color. Really pretty though, really pretty. And then here's why, well, I'll show you last, but then I got this. This is Biosan Squalene Omega Repair Cream. Face cream deeply moisturizes skin. I need that right now as my skin is aging. Guys, I'm 47 years old. I absolutely need a lot of moisture in my skin. And so I was excited about this. And I don't think that this is cheap either. I think it's definitely going to cost you a little bit of money. So that's why if there's things in these Trendmood boxes that you like, this is a great way to try them versus going and spending $40 just on this. You can spend $42 to get this whole box of stuff, you know? So yes, that looks fabulous. I'm gonna put that right, it looks like it's green. Let's see. I'm gonna put that right on my bedside for evening time. Nope, it's white. It's a big, thick, you can see it's a nice thick cream. I wonder if it's like a water cream. Let me get a little on my hand here and I'll test it. Oh, that's gonna sink right into the skin, right in. I'm excited about that. I can't tell you what it smells like because I can't smell still. I'm still having issues with my scent, with smelling. It's been a year and I still don't. I can smell, but not everything. And there's a lot I can't smell or I just don't smell. So it started to come back for a little bit and then it kind of went away again. So I don't know what's going on. All right. Anyway, this is what I was really excited for right here from M Cosmetics. I've seen people use these color drop blushes and I've been wanting this. This is Venetian Rose. I don't believe I got my choice of colors. I think you just get what you get when you get these. So they probably, you know, this looks dark. This might be a fall color or a middle of the summer. But I don't know. If these sheer out nicely, it should be fine because if it sheers out, I should get a nice flush of color on my cheeks. But yeah, this is going to be pretty nude. Look. So these are blush drops and I just think these are so cool. So, and there's a little like thing so you can, like a dropper so you can pick it up and drop it off on your skin. So let's do that and we'll do a little drop. I bet you that's too much. And I just threw it across the room. Good thing I got the top back on. All right. Oh yeah, that's going to be way, oh my goodness. So you're basically, maybe put it on your hand first because like I still have all of this I could blend in. Maybe put it on your hand first and then go in with a stippling brush and put it on your cheek. Actually, that looks nice with that lip gloss. That's going to be a nice combo together, but woo! That's some pigmented. I don't even have these blended out yet, guys. That's just, I haven't even blended it out yet. So that was one drop and this is not blended. So, all right, so that is my Trendmood box. We are going to play with those, especially those two M Cosmetic items. I think that's going to make a beautiful look. I'm really excited about it. I will link the information, the Instagram and stuff down below for Trendmood if you've never heard of it and you want to check it out. But I was just excited to share it with you guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.